This video is sponsored by PelucidFX.com. Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts, and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Okay guys, now let's take a look again at the on the gold market. Well, on the gold market, it's really not much changes since the previous trading session. As we said, that was the first bounce as the market has hit the 618 target of this ABCD pattern, and although the context in general holds bearish, well, we said that theoretically market still could show some a bit deeper retracement to the upside, because that's the habit of the gold market. Gold market likes to show the deeper retracements. Also, this really will not be the strategy at any problem if market will show some sort of the on some ABCD pattern on the intraday chart and hit, for example, weekly pivot resistance 1 that's accompanied by this fib resistance 1279, 1280 area, somewhere in this area. Also, if market will show this move up, this could be accompanied by high pairing of the bearish stop grabber, since market will start to flirting around the MACD predictor. Well, that's the major thoughts on expectations that in fact could become a reality in the nearest future. So we'll see how market will respond in this area. But I can't exclude the possibility when the market will just continue to move lower, because that is still the minor target. Market now is not at oversold, and take a look what has happened. Market in fact has shown the bounce, hit the weekly pivot point, turns down again, has tested it, turns down again, and retested the broken lows. Just tested. So move down also could continue right from this area. It's also possible. So let's see what will happen in the nearest future on the intraday charts. But if we'll take a look at the hourly time frame as we did yesterday, we said that in fact the one reason why I think that the deeper upward retracement is still possible, because market has formed here the reversal swing, and I'd suggest that when the market forming the reversal swing, the chances of the upward continuation exist, because you can see that this thrust up is greater than previous swing down. And usually this such sort of action, very rare, ends by just nothing. So as a rule, in the most cases when the market is forms the reversal swing, it usually has some continuation, even minor extension, some kind of the ABC bottom, minor 618 extension target, at least this area, at least the 618 extension of that possible ABCD. But currently, what we have, yesterday we have discussed that market should show the deep retracement, because that's the first swing up after a significant move down. That's normal, and that has happened. Take a look, the market even hasn't stopped right at our confidence support. It was in this area, but has continued to move right to the 618 support, 1240 area. That's normal. Well, now is the major question whether market will turn to the upside as the ABCD retracement to the upside, or we will see another move to the downside. Also guys, if market will start move to the downside, this also could become the real continuation to the downside. Not necessarily that will be just the ABCD that I have drawn here. So this just points that this target of this potential ABCD stands slightly higher than previous lows, and some small chances will exist that market still could hold here and show some deeper retracement. But in general, move below the major support with the after the hitting just a minor target on the daily time frame will be the solid challenge on the possible downward continuation, rather than on some postponing of the upward retracement. So if market will start move to the upside, it's better to see it somewhere from this area. So anyway, from the daily perspective, since this is the daily update and we mostly focused on the daily time frame chart, we in fact do not much care where market will finish the retracement. Our major task is to catch the final point and to catch the possibility to enter short because the daily trading plan doesn't suggest taking any long position with this retracement, because we have the bearish context, market now just calling around the target that has been hit. We just need some suitable area, suitable pattern or something that could let us to take the short position with a possible downward continuation. That's our primary object. Here we just discussed the possible development of this retracement, and as market still holds above the major support, the upward continuation is still possible here.